Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm here with my co-founder Meredith. Together, we've been in the waste industry for 20 years. In 2014, I founded Common Ground Compost, a company dedicated to promoting zero waste by facilitating organics recycling in businesses, local governments, and communities, primarily in real estate and food-related operations. Meredith joined in 2015, and CGC has grown to a team of consultants, educators, data geeks, composting, and micromobility specialists.
Through our time doing this work, we've commiserated with our peers about the outdated and sometimes downright backwards ways that valuable materials are treated in our waste sheds, and we're building WATS to modernize the management of waste disposal. We've created a digital ecosystem to lower costs and carbon emissions by helping businesses organize, manage, track, and report on their waste operations.
WATS stands for Waste Administration and Tracking Software, and we're bringing it to market this summer.
We see a vision for a waste economy that no longer operates from the shadows. We're working to modernize an industry that has been resistant to change because people have for too long preferred waste to be invisible. As you know, if food waste were a country, it would be the third largest contributor to greenhouse gas emissions behind the US and China.
Businesses understand that they generate waste, and most recognize that reduction and recycling are the right thing to do from both a cost savings and environmental standpoint. But those in charge struggle to create effective waste management plans, measure progress, and quantify short and long-term benefits.
Mitigating the climate crisis is the issue of our time, and every day that businesses spend not tackling their own impacts is a moment future generations will frown upon. The goal is to free property managers, sustainability managers, and anyone in charge of waste from the old world of Excel and Word-based tools and transition them to a turnkey software solution that tracks and manages all aspects of waste, from ops to metrics. WATS is part of the climate tech solution, bringing decades of waste expertise into the hands of those who need it now without requiring them to be experts.
Our waste backgrounds meet a dev team made up of 4 full-time developers and 1 part-time developer. We founded the company in 2021. We talk about WATS as a digital waste ecosystem and the refed roadmap to reducing food waste in the US by 50% by 2030 allows us to provide a nice picture of where across the supply chain WATS can intervene to improve efficiency and transparency, save money, and of course, reduce waste.
The most relevant action areas are in product management with tracking and low waste operations, easy to use digital platform, the consumer environment with signage, education, and tools to automate and simplify the narrative and storytelling around waste reduction, strengthening food rescue through stakeholder management tools and detailed donations management and tracking, and a platform-wide waste operations focused SOP tool, and recovery and recycling, of course, through a laser focus on tools to increase and measure source separation, guide the management of relationships with waste haulers, and manage the assessments of waste with waste audit, survey, and automated reporting tools. WATS wraps these features in algorithms that use industry conversion factors to turn waste volumes, weights, and quantities into carbon equivalencies for sustainability and ESG reporting.
WATS is a solution for so many waste-related issues. No chance I get through all of them right now, but I'll give you a taste with some quick examples. Organizing all waste streams to prioritize materials for beneficial reuse. Managing infrastructure and right-sizing bins to match actual waste volumes. Auto-generating a waste management plan for training and operational oversight. Hosting a dedicated space for waste education and training documents, including signage and videos. Providing a waste auditing and metering app to make it easy to track progress, find more opportunities to reduce, and to incentivize waste reduction. Digitize and consolidate all waste-related invoices with analysis focused on confirming accuracy and finding cost savings. And of course, a quick and easy way to view and report on carbon savings from all waste diversion. Our existing consulting clients will help us launch WATS into an active and immediately useful platform. We'll scale from commercial real estate and enterprise businesses into manufacturing and municipalities, with some remaining consulting work to pave the way for businesses that are beginners on their waste reduction journey. We're asking for 1.5 million to cover 18 months of our work. We are raising on a safe. We will use our funds for 2% on marketing and sales, 40% on customer success, 44% on the product, and 14% on admin. With these funds, we can accelerate the delivery of 5 major features that are on our timeline: the audit tool, automation of the SOP, video trainings, WATS access for sustainability professionals, and a specialty vendor marketplace, basically a place for businesses to find vendors to handle specialty materials for beneficial reuse. We are thrilled to be transitioning from traditional consulting towards a platform that can reach more people with lower costs and greater impact. We were born to create WATS. WATS will be an incredibly valuable tool in the fight against food waste.